Imagine you were given a bag of gold dust on the day you were born. There is a hole in the bottom. There has always been a hole in the bottom. It was there before you arrived. It was there before you were old enough to understand what you were holding. And the gold has been leaving every second since. This is what the Mirror Gospel says about time. Not that time is precious, not that you should be grateful for each day, not the version that gets printed on coffee cups and stenciled onto feature walls. The actual version. Death is not waiting for you at the end. It is hunting you from the beginning. It started the day you were born. It has never once stopped. And every second that gold leaves the bag, you are 1 second closer to the moment the bag is empty. Most people know this. They just refuse to feel it. They treat it as background noise, something true the way gravity is true, technically relevant, practically ignorable. You have spent years ignoring it. The year you put the thing off because there would be more time next year. The conversation you kept deferring because there was always a better moment ahead. The version of the life you actually wanted that you kept moving to a shelf 1 year further away, while the gold was leaving the bag every second. Here is the thing about gold dust. You cannot sweep it back up. You cannot find where it landed and return it to the bag. The mirror cannot give it back to you. For all the power of the mirror, its perfect memory, its absolute honesty, its refusal to let you lie to yourself, it cannot return a single grain of what you've let fall. What is gone is gone. And the mirror knows this. It watches you spend the gold, and it knows precisely what you spent it on. The evening you gave to something that did not deserve an evening. The attention you handed to noise that did not deserve your attention. The decade you spent becoming someone who could finally start living once one more condition was met. The mirror has watched all of it, every grain, every second, and it has never once been able to give any of it back. This is not designed to terrify you. It is designed to wake you up, because the bag still has gold in it. You do not know how much. Nobody does. The bag is not transparent. The amount you have left is not available to you as information. What is available to you is this moment, and the next one, the gold you have not yet spent. The Mirror Gospel does not teach you to run in panic. It teaches you to run towards something. There is a difference. Panic burns the gold without direction. Purpose spends it precisely. The question the mirror asks about time is not how much have you wasted. You cannot change what has already left the bag. The question is, what are you spending it on right now? Not when things calm down. Not after you've sorted yourself out. Not once you have the platform, the audience, the conditions, the version of yourself you have decided to wait for. Right now. With the gold that is leaving the bag at this exact moment. Because death is not an event on the horizon. It is the hole in the bag. It has been there this whole time. It is there while you read this. And the mirror cannot return a single grain of what falls through it. Make the call. Write the page. Have the conversation. Build the thing. Stop waiting for the right version of yourself to arrive before you begin. That version is not coming. Only the gold is leaving. This is Gospel of Shadows. We follow the idea all the way down to where it actually lands. Subscribe. Come back next week. We are only just getting started, and the bag is already lighter than it was.